One sunny jungle morning, our silly monkey wakes up with his tail stuck in a banana peel. Round and round he spins fast, like a tornado, trying to shake the banana peel off his tail. From above, a sleepy parrot shouts loudly with a funny angry face, "Keep the jungle quiet." Oops! Monkey slips down suddenly and falls right into a bucket filled with shiny soap bubbles. Up he floats into the bright sky, flying away slowly inside sparkling shiny rainbow bubbles. Down by the river, a crocodile brushes his sharp white teeth with a giant green jungle toothbrush. Achoo! The crocodile sneezes loudly and suddenly pops every single shiny bubble all around him. Lucky Monkey lands down safely, falling softly on a giant tall mountain made only of pineapples. Surprise! A cool red crab wearing shiny sunglasses crawls out slowly from the pineapple mountain. Monkey offers a banana kindly, but the crab makes a silly face and shakes his head, saying no. Here come marching turtles, all walking in a row, beating their shells like funny jungle drums. Monkey joins the band happily, clapping big coconuts together loudly like shiny jungle cymbals. Whoosh! A tall giraffe zooms quickly past on roller skates, speeding fast across the jungle ground. Oh! The tall giraffe slips badly and falls down suddenly into a very big muddy puddle nearby. One by one, all animals jump in happily, splashing everywhere and dancing inside the funny mud. A giant hippo becomes the DJ, spinning loudly on turntables made of giant round green watermelons. Suddenly, the sleepy parrot falls straight into the turntables and gets covered all over in seeds. The animals laugh loudly together, pointing at the parrot who now looks like a silly fruit salad. Boom! The sky opens wide and popcorn starts raining down everywhere instead of shiny cold water. All animals open their mouths big and wide, happily catching the popcorn as it falls from the sky. Monkey builds a popcorn castle with walls, but keeps eating them fast until the whole castle falls. The cool crab surfs happily across the jungle on a popcorn bucket, riding it like a silly surfboard. Achoo! The tall giraffe sneezes again loudly, exploding the popcorn into fireworks across the sky. All the animals run together quickly, laughing while chasing flying popcorn pieces across the air. Suddenly, a baby elephant appears with a giant umbrella, shouting loudly, "Popcorn rain is here!" But whoops! The giant umbrella flips upside down quickly and fills completely with lots of popcorn. The animals cheer loudly together and turn the umbrella into the jungle's first popcorn swimming pool. Cannonball! Monkey jumps quickly inside the pool and splashes popcorn everywhere all over the jungle. The animals roll on the ground, covered fully in popcorn butter, laughing loudly at their silly mess. As the sun sets slowly, the animals gather close and shout happily, "This was the best silly day